I fired up the Cajun microwave again today, and I did doing a Boston butt. Did some pork country style ribs earlier, but I didn't film them suckers. And I got a meatloaf on here now, so we're gonna check on that meatloaf and check on this Boston butt and see what's going on. All right, and I do believe the meatloaf's done. Yeah, we're gonna give it just a little bit more. Then we're gonna throw some cheese on that sucker and take it out. All right, time to pull that meatloaf out of there. It's done. And another benefit of the Cajun microwave, it's wintertime here in North Florida in St. Augustine. We're about 50 degrees right now and got 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. So you sit up here while it's cooking. You got some heat. Tabby likes it. Yes. Hey. Okay, so the meatloaf's done. The pulled pork's still on the pit, but I don't need to show you all that. I showed you that in the last video. So we're gonna end this one. Good friend of mine, Rooster Cogburn, also known as the Fat Man on the barbecue channels, did the Paqui Hot Ghost Pepper Challenge on his page. So, sparked my interest, so I'm gonna give these things a try. They say they're hot. Actually, they say they're freaking hot. He was eating them like candy. So, not to be outdone, I'm gonna try them out myself. So, consider this my version, the Paqui Hot Ghost Pepper Challenge. And they say they're not just hot, but freaking hot. Let's see what we got here. Shake it up, make sure them seasonings get in there. There we go. Pull one out. Looks like a Dorito to me. Okay. Really? This is what people have been like freaking out about online? I mean, a good flavor. It's got a nice little heat to it. And as far as kick your ass heat, They're good. But they're not nuclear by any means. I ate hotter stuff for this for breakfast. I'm kind of thinking maybe after 3 or 4 might start making me tear up or something, but no, not at all. Alright, so I'm gonna say they're good, they're spicy. But they're nowhere near freaking hot. I got hot sauce that I use 3 drops, and it's 3 times as hot as this. But anyway, yes, I will say they're good. They make some awesome nachos. Actually, I think that might be what I do with them. Make some damn nachos. So, okay. They taste good. I recommend them, but if you're looking for something that's going to knock you down, put you out, make you cry, This ain't it. All right. So there's my meatloaf. And there's my Paqui ghost pepper chip challenge. Hot ghost pepper at that. I'll eat one more for good measure. I like them. Good stuff. Talk to you later.